Hi there. Have you ever wanted to see the correlations of multiple questions based on the response to a particular question while merging your answer options together? If yes, then the Advanced Pivot Table report is the one for you. Let's take a look.
When you are looking to identify relationships between one question compared to other questions in your survey and need some flexibility in that report, the Advanced Pivot Table report is for you. It will display your data in a table and graph format to help you determine the impact of one question on the others. To build your own report like this, let's start from the beginning. To start, let's choose our question by selecting Yes to the segmentation question. Now you can choose every answer in question 10 or select answers in question 10. Let's click Continue. Now you need to choose the questions you want to view possible relationships. Once selected, let's click Continue. Here's where it gets really neat. You have the ability to merge your answer options. So for example, I'd like to merge the answer options a few times a year with a few times a month. We went from 5 answer options to 4. And since I made this change to the first question, I probably want to do so for remaining questions in my report as well. To do so, click Merge All Similar Sub-Questions. The rest of our answers have been merged. Let's click Continue. Here we have the ability to modify properties of the report just as the display of counts or percentages or including or excluding responses. And our final step as we continue, if we had filters, we could apply them here. We don't have any filters at this time, so let's click Generate. As we begin to study the table, we can retweak the properties and apply a filter found here. You can exclude the did not answers. To display counts or actual number of people who selected an answer option, click here. To display percentages and to round to the nearest decimal place, click here. And lastly, if I had a filter to apply, I could do so here. Once done, click Apply. And here's our first table and graph. Here's our first pivot table with the answers of question 10 and question 8a. Here's the corresponding graph. To view the next set of tables and graphs, click Next. And here's our second table and graph. As with all reports in the Engage system, you can share a link to this dynamic report via email, or print, save, and download. The reports in the Engage system are easy and powerful. Watch other videos in this series to learn how you can discover more from the survey data you collect. Thanks for watching.